Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. You finally found me, and I just want to welcome you to Daily Deals. Every day I hunt down the best PC parts, gaming deals, setup deals, and tech deals I can find, and today's deals are stacked. So stacked I had to do a long form video instead of my normal short video. We've got GPUs, we've got gaming mouse, I've got some DDR5 deals, I've got a 7600X3D deal, ultra-wide monitor, I got SSDs, coolers, even a couple free games for you. And if you want any other extra deals, I've been posting every single day, so you can check out my deal doc in the description on YouTube and then also on my link tree in my bio on TikTok. I'm also giving away a flagship gaming mouse when I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So make sure you check out the mouse series playlist in my description and details below. All right, let's get into the deals today. We are starting with probably something that's in super demand because nobody can find it at good prices. I've got a few deals for you today on RAM though. So I got the Patriot Viper DDR5. It's 16 gigabytes. It's a set of 2 by 8 gigabyte sticks. It is 5600 mega transfers, so not the fastest, but not the slowest either, for $212. Really solid deal on RAM right now. Usually you're seeing about $250 if you're lucky on 16 gigabytes of RAM. But I also found a single stick at 6000 mega transfers, so you get the trade-off of having dual channel versus single channel, 6000 mega transfers. It is also Patriot Viper Elite 5 DDR5, and then it is selling for $215 over on Amazon. Also a good deal. Next up, I have a 32 gigabyte kit. It is 2 by 16 gigabyte sticks. It is DDR5 6000 speed. It is $348. I've used Gigastone before. It is $348. There's only one left in stock, but they will probably replenish it, and hopefully it'll be at this price again. Grab it if you want it and be the first to get it. Next up, I have this Thermalright LCD screen. It is a 6 by, it's just under 7 inches. It's a 1280 by 480 resolution. It is essentially just a little LCD screen you can throw in your PC, and it's pretty cool. For 40 bucks, if you want to add a little flair to your PC, this would be a good way to go. It is in white and it's available today. And then I got a couple of deals for you today. I've got over on the Epic Game Store, the Telltale Batman Shadows Edition. It is free. I got it from my backlog. It is basically a storytelling game. So when it first came out, everybody loved it. So I'm sure it's still good. So definitely check that out if you want a free game. And then if you do not like Epic Games, but you like Steam or you like them both, get them both. But this is Terrors to Unveil the Day Off. All right, so this is a horror, and it is more of a detective game, like a go around and figure out the kind of things that are going on with jump scares, I guess. It is free today on Steam. Next up, if you need an air duster for cleaning out your PC or anything around the house, this is the Fantic V10 Pro Max Electric Air Duster, 130,000 RPMs, which is about the speed that you want with any air duster. $60 if you like the Fantic name, if you like their cases and stuff that all their stuff comes in. It is sleek, it is nice. You can get less expensive ones, but a lot of people like that Fantic brand, so I figured I'd throw this in here for 60 bucks. Then next up, my go-to recommendations for Hall Effect gaming keyboards. I have this keyboard. It is really solid. It is wired. It's $62. You will get the AK polling, and it doesn't have a loud, teeny sound like a lot of the Hall Effect boards do. Like a Thotkey sound. That's the best way to say it. But definitely a good keyboard. I have this, and I've been using it on my budget setup for a while. I have this as well. This is the ATK VXE Dragonfly R1. This is actually a clone of the Pulsar X2. It is a good, solid mouse. I enjoy using it, and it is on sale for 50 bucks, so definitely worth it. Then next up, we have the Ewiden S9 Pro wireless gaming mouse. It's 59 grams, it's super light, has 8K polling, decent DPI, good sensor. It's a solid mouse. I do not own this one, but I have owned other mice by Ewiden, and this one is selling for 50 bucks. It is the same size as a Razer Viper V3 or V4, so if you don't want to spend $100 to $160 on either one of those, this is definitely a great option for you. And then next up, we have the Pulsar Gaming Gear X2 wireless gaming mouse. This is just a clone of itself. This is a nice little mouse. It is 54 grams. Pulsar is known for being a little bit better quality than the ATKs, so definitely a good mouse. Has the same sensor on it, about the same DPI, and it comes in a couple different colors. This is refurbished, and that's why it's so inexpensive versus normally I think it's around 90 bucks. So next up, we have a wide monitor. It's an Acer Nitro, basically 30-inch. It is 1080p essentially with the ultra wide. It is curved, so you got to make sure you like curve, but it is 200 hertz, which is really nice. For $140, this seems like a really solid buy if you want to get into that ultra wide monitor. It's not the ultra wide, but it's really good size. So remember, if you're running 1080p fine on your computer, or if it's struggling to run 1080p, This will stress it a little bit more because there's more real estate that it's showing, even though it says 1080p, and it has a larger resolution in the long run. Then next up, if you get that ultra wide, this is a desk lamp. It is nice. I'm actually going to be picking this up because I want it for my desk, and it'll take the eye strain off at night, give you something to actually shine down on your desk but not really interfere with your monitor for 22 bucks. It's really good. Comes in black or white within $1 of each other. And then next up, I have a set of case fans. These are 3-pack fans, ARGB, so you can adjust them as well. They have a black version. They have a white version. You can buy a single fan if you need a couple extra ones. But the cool thing about this as well, actually, is that a white and black? So that's cool. So if you want to do a mix, here's a white and black one. That's cool. Anyways, getting sidetracked. And then it also has reverse versions as well for about $1 less. So definitely a good set of fans if you need to kit out your case. They seem good. They have decent reviews. They're 11 and 12 bucks. So it's kind of a no-brainer to pick a setup if you need them. And then speaking of fans, we got the 360 millimeter AIO cooler from Cooler Master. It is selling for 50 bucks. Really good deal on that if you need a CPU cooler and you want the aesthetic look of a AIO. And you can get it also in a 240 mil for 40 bucks. So really good prices on these right here. There's only 3 of the 240 mil left, so they've been selling pretty good. But for 40 bucks, really solid price on that. And then next up, we have the Okanos Aqua Micro ATX case. We featured this one the other day. This is still on sale for $44. Like I had mentioned before, when a case company comes out with their new cases, it's their new style or anything like that, especially on the budget side, they usually give you a really aggressive price so they can sell a bunch of them and get a bunch of reviews up there. So that's what they're doing right now. They've got this Okanos Aqua Uno. It has a nice orange color in it. So definitely a sharp case, 44 bucks, really no brainer. Comes with 3 RGB fans and it's solid. And then next up we have the IOTA C70 white ARGB. This has 6 ARGB fans. I'm assuming these ones back here are reverse and these ones down here are also reverse blade, but these are the infinity style fans. They give you 6 of them, guys. It is the panoramic fish tank style case. It's white. It is a solid buy, but $66 solid buy for this many RGB fans and for a case like this. Let's keep moving, guys. Next up is graphics cards. We got the PNY GeForce RTX 5060. This is an 8GB card. It is refurbished for $300. Good price on this, even being refurbished, because Amazon will warranty it out if you need to return it or anything like that. But for $300, you're not seeing a 5060 outside of like $340 to $350. And then that's if you don't have to end up buying a 5060 Ti, because that's usually been the better deal over the 5060. But at $300, good deal. Then we got a 5070 Ti 16 gigabytes for under $1,000, guys. $900. And in fact, over on Woot, if you go there, follow this link, and then check out the other graphics cards that they have over there, they have a ton of MSI cards on here at really good prices. So you can cruise them all, see if there's anything you like. MSI does some pretty big sales on Woot, but solid deals here with the graphics cards. And then there are other 5070 Ti's from MSI on here, the different styles that are selling for really good prices as well. Now we're going to jump over to Newegg. This one was featured the other day, $379. It has a $50 off coupon, so it ends up being $329. And it also comes with James Bond 007 First Light. So $330 plus a game. It's almost better to go for this if that 5060 regular isn't available, because you get a game for $30 and a more better performing graphics card as well. This right here, this is a 3090 Ventus, and this is the 24 gigabyte edition right here. So the only reason why I think this is relevant today to buy is if you're trying to do something along the AI, do like a home AI server or anything along that where you need the extra gigabytes of VRAM, because 24 gigabytes of VRAM, you just can't get that on anything unless you're looking at a 5090 or a 4090, and that's just outrageous. So that's why this price is held so high, but it is still an amazing graphics card, and it's going to compete with your 5070s that are out there, maybe even give you better performance because it does have that 24 gigabytes of VRAM. Quality price, 550 bucks. Definitely buy this over a 5070 normal one. Definitely be a good way to go. And if you're doing any kind of LLMs or any kind of AI home studios or anything like that, this is the card you want right here, bar none. The next up, I have the Ryzen 7600X3D. This kind of came out of nowhere. Didn't have a lot of big fanfare when they released it. About $229, guys, for AM5 platform, 7600X3D. So you get that extra V cache for gaming. This is a solid CPU. If you can spend the extra $60 on this over a regular 7600, definitely worth it. I haven't seen the numbers if it beats a 7700, but it's about the same price as the 7700, and I would think for gaming it probably does. Maybe not so much for productivity, because the 7700 has more cores on it. But $230, definitely worth the buy, and really good CPU. All right, we're getting close to the end here, guys. We got this silicone power. We're going to do storage next. We're going to do storage now, if you haven't noticed. This is the silicone power 1 terabyte NVMe. It's a Gen 3. Don't worry about Gen 3. Don't worry about Gen 4. Just find the best price at the amount of storage that you want. This is 1 terabyte. It has a $37 off coupon. So instead of $169, I think that brings you down to $132 or $133. Solid deal for a 1 terabyte NVMe. This one's not available. I've got this one available over on Amazon for $139. It is the small form factor king spec. Same thing. It is a Gen 3, $139, so a little bit more expensive than the silicone power one, but this is still up and it'll be available for a little bit longer. And then this deal's been kicking around forever. If you just need bulk storage, if you just want 2 terabytes of storage, $179. This is a excellent deal. $179. Let me say it again. Excellent deal at $179. It might be SATA, but it is still faster than a hard drive. And if you need the bulk storage for your game drive or anything like that, this would be the way I would go 100%. And then last but not least on these storage deals, we have the Western Digital Black 2 terabyte SN770 NVMe. This is refurbished, so that means somebody bought it, sent it back, and maybe it doesn't have the screw or something like that inside the box. But for $199, it is half off of what they would list it for, and it may be. But $200 for a Western Digital Black 2 terabyte. I have this drive. It's a good drive. I've had it forever, so definitely worth it if you want 2 terabytes of storage. And actually, if this is available, this will be faster than obviously the SSD I featured just a few seconds ago. And last but not least, I want to give a shout out to Newegg's combo deals. This is a way you can get a lot of savings. So come here if you're building a PC or if you want to buy a couple components to upgrade your PC. And what you can do is you can look through the different deals. So like here is an AM4 combo. It has a motherboard, it has a CPU, and then it also has RAM in it for $219 solid for AM4. And then you click in it and there's even an additional free gift of a mouse. I check this every day for you guys. I don't always put these deals in here because they're super repetitive, because they're always available. Solid deals in here. If you're looking to build a PC, just go to this link in the Google Doc and it'll bring you here and you will find a setup that you want. And it's not just motherboard combos. It's got Intel, it's got AMD, it's got PC case with motherboard combos. There's just a ton of them in here. And they refresh them every day. They usually throw in little gifts here and there. I've gotten a free air duster. Sometimes you get free games. Sometimes you get tower coolers or all-in-one liquid coolers. It's just a good resource if you're looking for deals, especially if you're building a lot of PCs. Definitely a way to go. All right, that's it for today's deals. If you found something useful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Really appreciate it. My Google Doc with all the affiliate links is down below on YouTube, but also it's linked in my bio on TikTok. And don't forget about the Flagship gaming mouse giveaway at 1K YouTube subscribers is when that's happening. You can get multiple entries by commenting on different videos in that mouse series playlist. The playlist is also linked below, or it's in my bio on TikTok. All right, everybody, have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.